how to sing and play guitar at the same time. Well, let's say you're trying to play a song like Heart of Gold, and you got the strumming pattern down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. And you feel like you can sing it along with the recording, but when you try to play those together, it just totally falls apart. I wanna live, I wanna give, right? It's like, whoa, the coordination of two different things happening. Well, that's really frustrating. And singing and playing guitar at the same time can just feel impossible if you're not already used to it. Or sometimes maybe you're used to it and just what you're playing is particularly difficult. Well, instead of just practicing that thing you're trying to play over and over again until it slowly gets better, which it will slowly get better, we can practice so much more efficiently by creating a little study, a little exercise, a little series of steps that breaks down the elements of what's happening in the guitar playing and in the singing that then gets your coordination working. And this is going to help just not for just the song you're working on, but for anything you want to play and sing at the same time. So my challenge for you is to take something that is hard for you to play and sing at the same time, try it, then try a version of this series of exercise, this breakdown that I'm going to show you, then try it again and just notice how much better it is, how much more possible it feels. And then leave a comment and let me know how that goes, or let me know in the comments what song you might do. So let's take an element of this, like just the strumming on a single chord. What I want you to take away from this is not exactly these exercises, though that's fine too, but just how can you break down for yourself what is needed for the thing that you're trying to work on. So let's take the strumming pattern, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Notice also I'm going down, down on the low strings, and then the emphasis on the third down is on the higher strings, kind of orchestrates the sound a little bit. Okay, now we want to just be able to sing any of these notes. Let's go with just the G note, and then sing like a scale with it too, and break down, this is the secret, break down the duration of the notes into whole notes, then half notes, then quarter notes, or dotted quarter notes, or then eighth notes, or something like that. We probably don't need to do whole notes. We'll do half notes, then we'll do dotted quarter notes, then we'll do quarter notes, and then eighth notes. So, ba, 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 ba. Okay, so you can do it on a single note like that, or sing the scale even better, since we're on one chord. Ba, ba, or we'll do half notes. Ba, 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 ba. Right? Get the coordination down. Great, got it. Make sure you can do that. Now that was half notes. Let's do dotted quarter notes. Okay, so it's like, actually we'll do dotted quarter notes. Ba, 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 ba. We'll do a dotted quarter note and then extend until the next beginning of the measure. So it's ba, 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 ba. That's the hardest one. Don't skip that one though, because that rhythm comes up so much where you're gonna have to sing on a beat and then on an off beat, or on an off beat and then on an on beat. So don't skip that one. It's what gets the syncopation feeling that actually is the thing that throws off playing and singing at the same time. So then after that you can do quarter notes. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, or ba, 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 ba. And I'm rushing through it, but take all the time you need on each step. And then eighth notes. Ba, 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 ba. And if you're stumbling on this, that is better than stumbling on the song itself, right? Really work on your isolating an element of something that you need. Get each of those down. Do you see what's happening here? We're trying to get comfortable playing this strumming pattern with any type of note duration, and then therefore those note durations or combinations of them are going to come up in whatever song you're trying to work on. And then you'll just feel like you can suddenly do it, or you're at least a lot closer to. So that's one version of this. That's like the half of how to do this, because we're keeping the chord constant and we're moving the notes around the scale. Well, let's try making the chords move. So we're actually going to play this progression. Okay, so we got E minor, C, then D. Do this with whatever song you want, then G. Okay, now we can just stay on that G note. So ba, 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 ba. And then Make sure that's comfortable, should be pretty doable. Baby steps towards what we're working on. And then ba, ba, da, 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 right? That's that dotted quarter note. So you're on the 1, 2, and 1, 2, and is where that's happening. And then the quarter notes, ba, 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 ba. Just singing one note when you're moving the chords is great, right? So we play one chord and move the notes, and we sing one note and we move the chords, right? Keep one thing the same, have one thing move, breaking it down. You can do your own version of this. And then eighth notes, ba, 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 ba. And that is how you break this kind of thing down. Just what I did there. And you taking your time in a session or several days of practice or even a week of practice, you're going to unlock, create those new neural pathways you need for this ability, and then try to go back to that song, and it's going to be like a night and day difference. I wanna live, I wanna give. I've been a miner for a heart of gold. It's these expressions I never get that keep me searching for a heart of gold. And I'm getting old. Okay, so what about this? Right? Well, what about some other strumming thing? Great, just do the same exercise with that. That's all it would be. Ba, 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 ba. Right? I just did quarter notes, then I did half notes with a little break there, but just break it down. Okay, repeat that thing. Do the different note durations. Do it on one note. Start moving the notes. You're just any amount of that, breaking it down into baby steps, is the most effective, most efficient way to practice. I think it's really fun. It's the coordination, actual coordination, kind of muscle memory, kind of like us practicing a skill for a sport, right? Yes, music is this emotional expression activity, but the training for it often is much more like athletics or like a surgeon practicing. Like, it's just coordination and physical ability and the mental focus of it. Then when you have it so down, you can add that emotional expression back in, and it's so much more powerful. So let me know how that goes. Leave a comment. I love hearing from you. I hope you give that a shot and practice it. I promise it will make a big difference. If you want a chord chart with a bunch of amazing chords, some of them you've probably never played but are really easy to play and beautiful sounding, download my chord chart called Chords with Color. It's completely unique. There's no other chord chart like it. I invented it myself. It shows all of the basic chords through 5 keys and then alternative options for those chords to add color tones to them. And it is just so much fun to play with. So download that totally for free if you want to. There's a link to it in the top of the description, or you can go to soundguitarlessons.com/chords to get that chord chart. I post a new lesson video every single week, so please subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching this one. Happy practicing. See you next time.